to another online business realm video. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and click the subscribe button to stay up to date with everything we have going on at the channel. So today in our next video for our Freedom Friday series, where we look at easy ways for you guys to make money and break out of your 9-to-5 job and become an online entrepreneur. So today we're going to be looking at something that sounds pretty fun, and it is fun in my opinion. It's something that's very common on the internet. I just don't think most people understand how it exactly works. We are going to be looking at how to make money with memes. So a meme is a small image that has text on it that is supposed to be funny. Along with memes, you also have GIFs, GIFs. A lot of people pronounce them GIFs, but I believe technically it's GIFs. And so what a GIF is it is a small video that is anywhere from 2 to 10 seconds that just loops. And of course, also you have videos that you can make money with. So if you look at this Facebook page right here, menshumor.com, this is a very huge Facebook page. If you look here, you'll see they have almost 10 million people that like this page. It's very common. I see it everywhere. You'll see people sharing memes from it. This is one of the more successful meme pages or accounts that you will find. So if you follow this page at all or seen anything like it, you'll see they have screenshots of tweets, they have memes, they have videos, they have all kinds of different stuff. People post more memes in the comments. So if you look at this one, me, Alexa, am I drunk? Tube of Pringles, says nothing. So they're very simple. It probably took this person about 3 seconds to make this. Now, I'm not sure where the person got the inspiration. Maybe it was real life. I'm not sure. Here's a video that they posted. I'm not going to click on it. I'm sure he does something crazy, either falls off the diving board or does a crazy flip or hits his head on the side. You can imagine all the things that people would think are funny about this. So there's no doubt that you've seen tons of these kinds of memes in different places. But the question is that most people want to know is why? Why do these people make these memes? Is it for their health? Are they some kind of aspiring comedian or in a large Facebook page group, aspiring comedic troupe, if you will, and they just like being funny? Well, the answer to that is no. I don't think you're going to be able to find anyone who has this kind of following, almost 10 million, that is not profiting from those numbers. So let's just take a look back down here at the page and let's look at possibly some ways they're making money. Well, if you click here on the Shop Now button right at the top, they have some t-shirts that you can go to that they are selling. It goes straight to their website. As you can see, they have a website. I believe that Men's Humor is missing out on a huge opportunity to make money on their website because they don't sell any advertising. All the links, the videos, articles, everything on here is self-contained. So they just go to other places on this website. They don't have true advertising per se. They don't have Google AdSense on here. Maybe they got it disabled. I'm not sure. But I believe they could be making a lot of money with advertising on their page. But I think what we'll find is they're making so much money via social media that they don't really care. So, and I'm not sure if this is 1 guy, 2 guys, 5 guys, 10 guys. I'm not sure. But as you'll see here, they are selling t-shirts. They have funny little phrases or pictures on them. And nothing on here is too dirty. Nothing on this that I found in Men's Humor is super vulgar or disgusting. They will have some curse words or maybe something that is a little suggestive from time to time, but they don't have anything really on here that's super vulgar. That's a whole nother niche that people get into, making really vulgar and disgusting memes, and people think it's funny. Personally, that's not my cup of tea. That's not something I get into. I don't get into any kind of niche that is explicit, adult niches, nothing like that. I stay away from all that stuff 100%. So So anyways, back to this, we'll see that they do sell shirts, and you go back, and that's the very first thing you can do is hit shop now right at the top of the page. But that's not really where their bread and butter is. So if you scroll back down the page here, got to go down a little ways back to that video that they shared. Not that one, it's another one. Okay. So as you see here, it says Men's Humor shared Broternity's video. Now in your news feed, this is going to show up differently. Here on their page, it's real slick the way that Facebook has gotten this, where it says share Broternity's video. Because if you're scrolling down this page, you don't even really notice that it says shared. You just think this is one of their videos that's on here. But it's not. This is from another page called Broternity. And I would guarantee you, I haven't clicked on it, but if you go to Broternity's page, you will see that it is a very similar page to Men's Humor. I'm sure there's videos, memes, anything that has to do with being a frat bro, probably. That's probably why it's called Broternity. And they're probably making money the same way that Men's Humor is making money. What you miss here is that there's no telling how much Broternity paid Men's Humor to share this to their almost 7 million followers, or people that like the page. Now, a little inside information here is that I say there's no telling, but I actually do know, because at one time I had a blog where I was looking at Men's Humor sharing our page, and I can tell you that it is a minimum of $1,800 for them to share your video. Now, that was 2 years ago. It may be up higher now. Back then, I think they only had 6 million. It may be $3,000 to get them to share this, because once this gets shared, there's no telling how many people are going to go like Broternity's page. But as you can see, it's got 1.5 thousand reactions to it, 39 shares. There's no telling how many people have seen this. This video's got 1.7 million views on it. So a lot of people are watching this video. It's auto-playing in your newsfeed on mobile, and so many people are seeing this, and they're probably going to this page and liking this page. So if you think about it, that they are making, let's just call it $2,500 per post that they share, and here's another one they did 18 hours ago. So this Broternity probably paid them, and I can only find 2 from yesterday. There might have been more. Just yesterday, they got over probably $4,000 to $5,000 minimum just off of sharing these 2 videos. Now, the one caveat to this could be that maybe the same people that own Men's Humor also own Broternity, because that's a great way to double what they're making by creating another page. So that's one thing I'm unsure of. But let's just suppose it is a separate company, then that's how much money they're making. So now let's go. We've already looked at their products. They have other accounts. I went and found them on Instagram and Twitter. So let's go to their Instagram page. So as you scroll through their Instagram feed, you'll see it doesn't really look like there's anything on here where they're making money. It looks just like all memes, maybe a video here or there. And so you're wondering, how are they making money here? Well, they've got 2.8 million followers on Instagram. So there's no way they're not monetizing this. So if you look at this video here, and my computer's having trouble actually playing the video, but we're going to click on it and look at the comments. So this is a video here, and if you look, it says, this is real. Check out unemployed_professors. They'll write your essays for you. So basically, this is an advertisement for unemployed professors. This is obviously a website where people pay to get papers written or assignments done or things like that. So this video is an advertisement for unemployed professors, if you look at the logo down here in the corner. So once again, there's no telling how much Men's Humor was paid to post this advertisement on here. So social media advertising is really, or influencer marketing is another thing it's called, is the wave of the future. That's how advertising is moving. So that's why if you go to their website, it doesn't seem like there's as much emphasis on the advertising, but I still believe they're missing out on an opportunity. Even putting AdSense on there, even if they made a few $1,000s per month with the amount of traffic that I'm sure they have, it's probably what it would be. Then that's a few extra $1,000s a month for just letting advertising sit there. So now we know how they're making money on their website, how they're making money on their Facebook page, how they're making money on Instagram. Let's go to their Twitter. So we go to Twitter, and you see they have a meme here at the top. Here's another meme, and boom, here's the advertisement. This is for a website, 22words.com, where they use a current event about Aziz Ansari being accused of sexual assault, or whatever you want to call it. You just have to read the story to determine what you actually think happened there. But if you look here and you find this link and you click on this, this is a clickbait website. That's exactly what it is. They put stories here that you want to read about, and then you click on it, and it will probably have several slides. And every time you click on one of the slides, it brings up more advertisements. And this business, 22words.com, is getting paid. Now, once again, I don't know. Is 22words.com and Men's Humor the same? Or is this an offshoot of Men's Humor and then they're making the advertising there? Or is this website, 22words.com, paying Men's Humor? Either way, they're making money. And so how did they get the influence to be able to have this influx of advertising on their page? And how did they get so many people? Well, they produce good content. Their memes are funny. People like them. When you wake up from a 15-minute nap with a headache, dehydrated, and wondering what year it is. I think we've all been there, So the content is the key. You can't just go and make a meme that isn't funny, that has no relevance to what you're trying to do. Men's Humor is very broad. I believe if you were to start something like this, you would want to start with something that's a super targeted niche. For me personally, I've just started a meme kind of Instagram account. As you guys know, I'm super into cryptocurrency. I love it, and I think that it is possibly the future for transactions. And I've decided to make an animated cartoon. And until we get the cartoon going, I'm using memes to gain followers and things like that. So I know this is something that works. I've seen it work before. And all of my memes are going to be cryptocurrency targeted. So if I put the right hashtags in there, then people are going to like the page. It's just a matter of time before it builds. So how do you create these memes? Well, there's tons of apps out there. You can go, there's one called Meme Creator that I use. It has a small watermark on the bottom right-hand corner of it. You can also make them on Photoshop. I've made several on Photoshop. You just need to make sure that you use the right dimensions for whatever social media account you're using. And if you need to borrow inspiration, which is totally fine, go find some other meme websites. Find some meme accounts that you can follow. And just kind of look, especially if it's in your niche, and look at the kinds of things that they're posting. And you find the ones that really resonate to you, and you remake them in a different way, or you put a different spin on them. So that way they're your own meme, but you're not having to constantly create something out of the air. And that's what all businesses do. I mean, if you look at Target has copied Walmart in a lot of ways. They have their own brand. They have super Targets. Walmart obviously started this, super Walmarts that have pharmacies, grocery store, and home good supplies. So it's okay to find someone who's successful and copy them. As long as you are not directly stealing their memes or taking their stuff and not giving them credit, then, that's obviously something you don't want to do. You want to be unique. Anything you do on the internet, the content is going to be the key. If you can make memes that are funny or relevant to your niche, you will get a following. And once you build that following, then you can monetize it. So monetization is something that we can look at in other videos on what you do once you have a large account. But I believe that creating memes is something you can do in your spare time. You can make 2 or 3 of them in a day. It takes 5-10 minutes most each. Create a social media account, start posting those on there. using hashtags or whatever that social media account requires to gain followers and show off your good content. And this is something that if you start it now, in a year from now, you'll have a large enough account where you will probably be able to make some money on some advertising. So all you need is one meme to go viral. You just need one. If you get one meme to go viral, then your account is going to blow up and you can start making money off advertising sooner than that. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. We can actually show you how to create memes on some different videos that we'll be doing. But for now, I just really wanted to focus on showing you guys exactly how you can do this, how you can make money with memes. It is possible. So if this is something you think you're interested in and you have a question, just drop us a comment below. Please like our video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest Freedom Friday videos and all the other great videos we do here on the channel. So until next time, get out there and make some money.